Hello everyone, this is Mamta Mund and today we will learn and solve self-practice exercises questions 1 to 10, self-practice exercise 10b of chapter 10, chapter name is plain figures of class 6 of new learning composite mathematics textbook. Let's get started and solve some questions. Today we will learn and solve self-practice exercise questions 1 to 10, self-practice 10b of chapter 10, chapter name is plain figures and topics are triangles, interior and exterior of triangles, medians of triangle, altitude of triangle and types of triangles. Let's solve some questions. Now we will solve question number 8. Classify the triangle as acute angle, right angle or obtuse angle whose angles measures are given. First bit is 58 degree, 83 degree, 93 degree. First draw the given triangle having measures 58 degree, 83 degree and 93 degree. This one 93 degree, 58 degree and 83 degree. In this triangle, 58 degree is less than 90 degree, 83 also less than 90 degree and 93 degree is more than 90 degree. We know in a triangle whose one of the angle is more than 90 degree, that angle is an obtuse angle triangle. So this is an obtuse angle triangle. 93 degree is more than 90 degree. So this is obtuse angle triangle. So this triangle is an obtuse angle triangle. Now question number second bit B. Classify the triangles as acute angle, right angle or obtuse angle whose angle measures are given 65 degree, 95 degree and 20 degree. The angles are 65 degree, 95 degree and 20 degree. First draw the given triangle having measures of the angle 65 degree, 95 degree. Suppose this is 95, 65 and this is 20 degree. In this triangle 95 degree is more than 90 degree and 65 degree and 20 degree are less than 90 degree. We know any triangle which one of the angle from the three angles, one of the angle is more than 90 degree, that angle is obtuse angle triangle. So here 95 degree, one of the angle is 95 degree which is more than 90. So this is an obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. So this is an obtuse angle triangle, 65 degree, 95 degree and 20 degree. These measures of triangle is an obtuse angle triangle. Now third bit C. The measures of the angle measures are 30 degrees, 60 degree and 90 degree. First draw the given triangle having measures of angles 30 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. This is 90 degree. This one is 30 and this is 60. In this triangle, one of the angle is 90 degree. We know any any triangle having one of the angle 90 degree, that triangle is right angle triangle. So here one of the angle is 90 degree, so this is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. So this is a right angle triangle. Now question number 4th bit D. The angle measures are given as 109 degree, 40 degree and 30 degree, 31 degree. First draw the given triangle having angle measures 109 degree, 40 degree and 31 degree. Suppose this is 109 degree, this one is 40 degree and this one is 31 degree. In this triangle, one of the angle 109 degree, which is more than 90 degree, and 40 degree and 31 degree are less than 90 degree. We know any triangle having one of the angle more than 90 degree, that triangle is obtuse angle triangle. So 199 degree is more than 90 degree, so this is an obtuse angle triangle. So this is an obtuse angle triangle because one of the angle is 109 degree, which is more than 90 degree. Now question number E bit. The angle measures are 46 degree, 90 degree and 44 degree. First draw the given triangle having angle measures 46 degree, 90 degree and 44 degree. -44 degree, 90 degree and suppose this is 56 degree. In this triangle, one of the angle is 90 degree. So if any triangle, one of the angle is 90 degree, that triangle is right angle triangle. So this is a right angle triangle. Because one of the angle is 90 degree, so this is a right angle triangle. Now F bit. The angle measures are given 56 degree, 48 degree and 76 degree. First draw the given triangle having angle measures 56 degree. This is 56 degree, 48 degree and this is 76 degree. In this triangle, all the angles are less than 90 degree. 48 degree is less than 90 degree, 76 degree less than 90 degree and 56 degree is also less than 90 degree. All the three angles are less than 90 degree. We know in a triangle if all the angles are less than 90 degree, the triangle is acute angle triangle. So this is a acute angle triangle. This is a acute angle triangle because all the three angles are less than 90 degree. If you have not subscribed subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you like this video, then please click the like button and share this. If you have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of future videos. If you have any doubts, then please write in comment section and I will reply. Keep learning, keep watching, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe my